Everybody loves Waze, the navigation app that translates data from your mobile device into real-time reports so you can avoid traffic, potholes, and the police. You can use Waze in 98 languages, including Arabic, Mandarin, and even a boy band.
Have a pleasant drive.
But we still can't use it in our most widely spoken language, isiZulu. Waze uses English, which is only number 6, and Afrikaans, only number 3. So we created Shwii By Nissan, the first voice assist that warns you, like only a Zulu can.
Sanbonani. My name is Sanele Ngubane. I'm the writer on the Shwii By Nissan campaign. We decided to lead with Zulu on this campaign because Zulu uses a specific kind of phonetic sound that lets you hear the danger behind the word. Sounds like a break-in. Sounds like a car rolling. Sounds like a store. We hacked the Waze personal voice recorder feature to upload 41 key Zulu commands. These commands help the user navigate danger on the road without the need for translation.
Jika kwesokudla. Jika kwesokunxele. Asishone khona. Uzofahla.
We created a shareable link which was housed inside a trackable QR code. This allowed us to then feature it on content for an integrated campaign that told users that they can now navigate in their language on Waze.
Nissan Intelligent Mobility is your technology partner on the road. In our diverse product portfolio, NIM offers a suite of advanced safety technology that creates a whole new way of driving that gives you confidence and peace of mind. NIM allows you to keep yourself safe and those around you. Shwii By Nissan behaves in a similar manner, using technology to keep you safe whilst navigating local roads. With TBWA, we identified a local cultural need within our market, navigating in proudly local South African languages. And with Nissan being a tech brand, it made sense to develop this hack as an additional partner on our roads.
This hack is disruptive, it's out of the box, and it speaks to innovation that excites. It uses technology to really connect with people and engage with them in unexpected ways. Now going forward, we're really excited about this because we hope to roll this out in different languages such as Sepedi, Xhosa, Venda, Tswana, etc. This is going to be really good.
So Shwii was a clever way for us to bring our indigenous languages to life. While we rely on technological innovation, we cannot let that erode our mother tongue. My role as cluster lead was to bring the team together and find innovative ways in the production process to bring this idea to life.
The Shwii campaign is very exciting for us. As a global brand, we love to make campaigns that resonate with the local audience. Not only is this a disruptive idea for us at TBWA and at Nissan, we found that the technology of the car can be easily understood and engaged with by our local audience to create something very exciting in the digital environment.
Any app can give out directions. Only one navigates danger in a language you truly understand.